We often equate wealth with money, a big house, a fancy car, expensive vacations. These are the images that come to mind. But what if I told you that this is just the tip of the iceberg? True wealth runs much deeper than the numbers in your bank account. It's about the life you build, the impact you make, and the legacy you leave behind. Think about it. You could have all the money in the world, but if you're constantly stressed, unhealthy, or in bad relationships, are you truly wealthy? Probably not. True wealth encompasses every aspect of your life: your health, your relationships, your happiness, and your personal growth. This is where habits come in. Our daily actions, no matter how small, are the building blocks of our lives. They shape our health, our finances, our relationships, and ultimately, our wealth. By focusing on building the right habits, we can create a life of abundance and fulfillment, a life of true wealth. True wealth is like a beautifully woven tapestry. Money and material possessions might form the threads, but it's the intricate patterns of our habits and mindset that truly bring the masterpiece to life. Imagine each positive habit as a vibrant thread, strengthening the fabric of your well-being. These habits are not just about managing money, they're about managing your time, your energy, your relationships, and your thoughts. These elements, when nurtured consistently through positive habits, contribute to a richer, more fulfilling life. This is the essence of true wealth. This shift in perspective is crucial. Moving away from the singular focus on money and embracing the broader definition of wealth paves the way for a more balanced and fulfilling life. It allows us to appreciate the richness of experiences, relationships, and personal growth that money alone cannot buy. For far too long, we've been fed this narrow definition of wealth, one that equates a hefty bank balance with a successful life. This misconception has led many on a relentless chase for financial gain, often at the expense of their well-being and happiness. But the truth is, money is just a tool. It's a means to an end, not the end itself. The problem with focusing solely on financial wealth is that it ignores the other essential aspects of a fulfilling life. It's like trying to build a house with just bricks and mortar, neglecting the foundation, the windows, the doors, all the elements that make it a home. True wealth is holistic. It's about having financial security, yes, but also about having strong relationships, good health, a sense of purpose, and the freedom to live life on your own terms. It's about aligning your actions with your values and creating a life that brings you joy and fulfillment. So how do we build this kind of holistic wealth? The answer lies in the power of our habits. Habits are the small, everyday actions that, over time, compound into extraordinary results. They are the building blocks of our character, our wealth, and our lives. Take the habit of discipline, for instance. It's the ability to delay gratification, to choose long-term rewards over short-term pleasures. Discipline is what allows us to save money instead of spending it, to invest in our health instead of indulging in unhealthy habits, and to persevere in the face of challenges. Similarly, the habit of continuous learning is essential for building wealth. In today's rapidly changing world, those who are constantly learning and adapting are the ones who thrive. Whether it's learning new skills, exploring new ideas, or simply staying informed about the world around us, continuous learning keeps us ahead of the curve and opens up new opportunities for growth and abundance. Let me share the story of a man named John. John was stuck in a rut. He felt unfulfilled in his job, struggled to manage his finances, and his health was deteriorating. He desperately desired a change but felt powerless to break free from his current circumstances. One day, John decided to make a change. He began by incorporating small positive habits into his daily routine. He started waking up earlier to exercise and eat a healthy breakfast. He dedicated time each day to learning new skills and exploring his passions. He also started tracking his expenses and making conscious choices about his spending. Fast forward a year, and John's life was completely transformed. He had lost weight, had more energy, and felt more confident than ever before. He had developed valuable new skills that allowed him to transition into a more fulfilling career. His finances were in order, and he was finally able to pursue his passion for travel. All of this was a result of consistently practicing small, positive habits. True wealth is not about chasing riches or seeking validation from material possessions. It's about cultivating a life of purpose, fulfillment, and well-being. It's about aligning your actions with your values and using your resources, time, energy, money, and talents to create a life that you love. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about consistently making small, positive choices that compound over time. It's about having the discipline to stick with your goals even when you don't feel like it. And it's about never stopping learning and growing. So, I encourage you to take a moment to reflect on your own life. What habits are you currently practicing? Are they leading you towards a life of true wealth? If not, what small changes can you make today to start building the life you truly desire? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe for more insights on building a life of purpose and fulfillment.